Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names. Are you ready to discover something amazing about Allah? Let's learn together about a very special name called Al-Ba'is. Say it like Al-Ba'is.
The name we're learning today is Al-Ba'is. Can you say it with me? Al-Ba'is. Let's break it down together. Al-Ba'is. Now let's say it together. Al-Ba'is. Al-Ba'is. That's how you say it. This is one of Allah's 99 beautiful names. Each of these names teaches us something wonderful about who Allah is and what Allah can do.
So what does Al-Ba'is mean? Al-Ba'is means the Resurrector. This means Allah can bring things back to life. Allah has the amazing power to wake everything up again. Isn't that incredible? This shows us just how powerful and amazing Allah truly is.
Let me give you an example you can understand. Think about when you go to sleep at night. You close your eyes and rest. Then in the morning, what happens? You wake up. Allah wakes you up every single day. Just like that, Allah has the power to bring everything back to life. Or think about flowers in winter. They look like they've gone away, but in spring they come back beautiful and colorful. That's Allah's power as Al-Ba'is. Let's say it together one more time. Al-Ba'is. Al-Ba'is. This name is so special because it reminds us that Allah is very powerful. Allah can bring everything back to life. Allah takes care of us always, every single day. And one day, we will all meet Allah. Because Allah is Al-Ba'is, we know that Allah can do anything. This name helps us remember that Allah will bring everyone back to life on the Day of Judgment.
Remember the name Al-Ba'is. Say it one more time with me. Al-Ba'is. Al-Ba'is. Allah, the Resurrector. When you wake up tomorrow morning, think about Allah's power. Allah woke you up, just like Allah can wake up everything. Thank you for learning with me today. May Allah bless you all. Goodbye, dear children.